Mangalore's Protestant Christians celebrate the harvest festival annually in October as a Thanksgiving event. They bring new crops like paddy, coconut, sugarcane, vegetables, and fruits to the church to thank God. These first fruits are blessed during the service, then auctioned or shared with proceeds supporting church or community projects. The priest blesses rice, which families take home to mix with their own, symbolizing a blessed food supply and encouraging gratitude. The harvest meal is a simple, communal coastal feast focused on warmth rather than luxury. A pemidi pickle, a traditional South Indian pickle made from a special, fragrant variety of tender mango, cherished for its unique aroma, intense flavor, and long shelf life. Green chutney, a vibrant, tangy condiment perfect for an Indian meal. Basic recipes use coriander, mint, green chilies, ginger, and lemon juice. Thakare chutney, a refreshing, mildly spiced, traditional cucumber chutney with coconut. It has a cool, earthy flavor typical of the coastal cuisine. Fruit sasam, a sweet, spicy and tangy fruit curry made with coconut. It mainly includes mango, pineapple and grapes. Raw mango salad, a vibrant, refreshing dish featuring the crisp, tangy flavor of unripe mangoes paired with the nutty crunch of roasted peanuts. Alasande bhaji, a dish typically prepared as a dry stir-fry of yard-long beans and is a staple in various regional cuisines across India. Kadle manoli sukha, a traditional Mangalorean dish that combines chickpeas and ivy gourd cooked together with local spices and grated coconut. Kanchala gasi, a flavorful curry made with bitter gourd in the traditional Mangalorean style. Boiled rice, a staple Mangalorean red rice variety, popular for its soft texture, earthy flavor and high nutritional content. Kumbalakai Majjige Huli, a mild and creamy yogurt-based curry featuring ash gourd. It is a soothing and flavorful dish traditionally prepared without onion or garlic. Pagila Podi batter fried spine gourd, also locally known as kaat pire. Sweet potato rava fry, shallow fried sweet potato slices coated in a spice blend and then dredged in semolina. Capsicum podi batter fried capsicum, also locally known as done menasu. Banana podi, a deep fried fritter made from either ripe or raw bananas. Masala Majjige, a popular spiced buttermilk drink, known for its blend of traditional spices that aid digestion and provide a cooling effect. Kadle Bele Payasa, a traditional creamy dessert made from split chickpeas, jaggery and coconut milk.